Right, question 18 is your typical simultaneous equations question. And even if you're not that strong at maths, it is a question that you should look to practice and learn how to do, because with a bit of practice, this question is quite straightforward. But if you don't practice and give it a bit of time to settle in and really try to understand it, you do find it difficult. But it is worth knowing because it does come up often, and 4 marks is 4 marks. Alright, so we've got to solve these equations, and the usual method to solve a simultaneous equation is a process called elimination. Now, in order to eliminate one of the variables, the x's or the y's, I need to make sure that the number in front is the same. So the top equation, if I times everything by 3, we're going to get, I'm going to do the first equation, the top equation, I'm going to times that by 3 to get 12x plus 21 y equals 3. The bottom equation, equation 2, if I times everything by 4, we'll end up with the 12x here as well, plus 40y equals, and 4 times 15 is 60. So we got two equations like that now. Just change the way they look. The outcome won't change. Now, if I think carefully about this, if I do equation 2 and I subtract equation 1, these guys are going to cancel out. So I'm going to do equation 2 and I'm going to take away equation 1. There's many ways people teach this, but we're going to go with this. So I've got to do the same everywhere. 40y, and I've got to take away positive 21y. So if I take away 21y, we're going to get 19y. And similarly here, I'm going to do 60 and I'm taking away the 3, which is going to give me 57. Be very careful that you remember which numbers you're taking from which. Otherwise, it can all go wrong. Then I'm going to simply divide by 19, both sides. 19y divided by 19 is y. 57 divided by 19. I'm thinking about my 9 times table here, and I know 9 times 3 is 27. So 19 times 3, surely 57. So I should write down 3 instead. Okay, so y is 3. Now I know what y is, I can substitute it back into one of the originals. So I'm going to sub y equal to 3 into, and I'm going to plug it back in here. So it doesn't matter, you can do it to either equation, any equation at all, as long as it's got the x. So the 4x plus the 7y equals 1. So subbing, y is 3. 4x plus 7 lots of 3, which is 21, going to equal 1. We're going to take 21 off both sides. That gives us 4x equals negative 20. And then finally, we're going to divide by 4. And dividing negative 20 by 4 gives us an answer of x equals negative 5. And there's our two solutions. X is negative 5, y is 3.